Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from Kraken to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Kraken and want to move it to Uphold for better management or staking opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Uphold. You'll need TRX in your Kraken wallet and the exact Uphold wallet address ready. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section, usually found in the main menu. Next, select TRX from your list of assets. Click on the Withdraw option, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste in your Uphold TRX wallet address. Remember, TRX uses a specific blockchain, so ensure it's the correct format to prevent errors. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees that might apply in 2025. Kraken might ask for two-factor authentication here for security, so have that ready. After confirming the details, review everything one last time. Hit Submit, and Kraken will process your withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's sent, jump over to your Uphold account. You should see the TRX arriving in your wallet shortly. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan to track its progress. A few quick tips. Always use the TRX network for this transfer to keep fees low, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving regulations, it's smart to stay updated on any KYC requirements or platform-specific rules. That's it for the steps. Easy, right? If you follow this, you'll have your TRX moved over without a hitch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you next time.